Which population growth model does this graph illustrate? It illustrates the logistic growth because the graph shows a characteristic S-shaped curve. And remember that the exponential growth would be a J-shaped curve. What should the horizontal line on this graph be labeled? Of course, the answer is carrying capacity, because the carrying capacity is the maximum population size that the environment can sustain. What do the time periods 1 to 7 represent? Of course, the answer is lag phase, because lag phase is the initial period that shows slow growth where individuals are adjusting to the environment and beginning to reproduce. If angelfish produce hundreds of young several times a year, which statement below is true? Of course, the answer is our strategy, because our strategy is when species produce a high number of offspring without parental care, and the opposite is the case strategy. If an aquarium holds 80 liters of water and contains 170 guppies, what is the approximate density of the guppy population? The answer is B, because by applying the law of density, the number of individuals is divided by the unit of space, and the answer is 2 after rounding. Which is a density independent factor? Of course, the answer is severe drought. Japan had a birth rate of 8 and a death rate of 9 in 2008. What was the population growth rate in 2008? Of course, -1. Because by subtracting the death rate from the birth rate, the answer is -1.